Hello dear friends, today we are going to throw light on the topic economic importance of fennel. First of all, let us know various objectives. Number 1 objective, to give brief account of morphology and taxonomy of fennel. Second, to find out the origin and distribution pattern of fennel. Third, to make clear understanding about nutritional value of fennel. Fourth, to find out major fennel producing countries. Fifth, to make clear understanding about economic importance and part used in fennel. Introduction. A spice is substance of plant origin, primarily from various parts of the plant such as dried seeds, fruits, root or bark, which is used in very small quantities as food additive for flavor, color or as preservative. Many spices are also used for purposes of medicine and religious rituals in Asia, and in cosmetics, perfumery and licorices in other parts of the world. Spices add color, flavor and zing to food besides helping digestion. About 60 spices are cultivated, most of which are concentrated in the Mediterranean region and Asia, from where they most probably originated. Spices are grouped according to the type of plant, the part of the plant used and growing time. Based on the last criterion, they can be subdivided into perennials and annuals. Spices are consumed in small quantities, hence the value of spices cannot be judged on their nutritive values, as they do not provide essential nutrients. They have obvious medicinal properties and find their place in traditional and modern medicine. Feniculum vulgare, with English name of fennel, belongs to Apiaceae family. It is an herbaceous and aromatic plant with a height of 1 to 2 meters. Grows in many parts of Europe, the Mediterranean and Asia. Fennel is a perennial herb with stems grooved, intermittent leaves, often combined with dark green, fluffy, with a blade divided into thin pieces. Petiole with sheath. Flowers are usually bisexual, regular or irregular, with yellow umbrella in the form of oval beads. On radiating branches, linear lines can be diagnosed. Fennel has small seed with a length of about 8 mm and a width of 3 mm with an aromatic odor and sweet taste. Fennel seeds are narrow, long, cylindrical appearance and dimensions vary depending on plant growth. Origin. Feniculum vulgare was cultivated and known by the ancient Greeks and Romans, who attributed certain magic power to it. The name feniculum first appeared by Plinius. In Italy, Spain and France, it was cultivated in the 14th to 15th centuries. In France, it was very popular in the 16th century. Fennel is an ancient seasonal herb. The fennel plant originated in the southern Mediterranean region, and through naturalization and cultivation, it grew wild throughout the northern, eastern and western hemispheres, specifically in Asia, North America and Europe. It is cultivated in fields and also grows wild. The herb was well known to the ancient Egyptians, Romans, Indians and Chinese. The Romans grew it for its aromatic seeds, and the edible fleshy shoots are still a very common vegetable in southern Italy. Emperor Charlemagne was known to have encouraged its cultivation in Central Europe. It is an indispensable ingredient in modern French and Italian cooking. All parts of the plant are aromatic and can be used in many ways. Distribution and production of fennel. Fennel is a hardy, perennial, umbelliferous herb, generally considered native to the Mediterranean areas, that has become widely naturalized elsewhere. It is a small genus of annual, biennial or perennial herbs distributed in Central Europe and Mediterranean region. It is widely cultivated throughout the temperate and tropical regions of the world for its aromatic fruits, which are used as culinary spice. In numerous European countries, it seems to gain popularity again. Cultivation is mostly concentrated on the Mediterranean area, but it is well known in the Far East as well. France, Germany, Romania, Russia, Italy, India and the US are the major fennel growing countries. In India, it is mainly cultivated in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Maharashtra, UP, Punjab, and Bihar. Gujarat alone accounts for 90% of fennel production in the country. Fennel requires a fairly mild climate and is cultivated as an all-weather crop. The dry and cold weather favors high seed production. In 1980, Italy produced 350,000 tons per year, France nearly 7,000 tons per year, and Switzerland 3,000 tons per year. In France, mean consumption reached 0.5 kg per head. Today, production is gaining ground in North America too. Production level is highest in the Netherlands. Now coming to taxonomy of the plant. Fennel belongs to the family Apiaceae. The root is white, spindle-like and deep penetrating. The stem is erect, cylindrical, green. The basic part of the peduncle is bulb-like thickened. It is the tuber. Inflorescence is double compound, umbel. Flowers are tiny, yellow. Fruit is 4 to 5 mm long, 1 to 2 mm wide, elongated at the top, twin achene, greenish or light brown gray. It requires warm and long day periods. However, there are variants which are mere indifferent to day length. Every part of the plant contains sweet, aromatic volatiles. Besides the tuber, the foliage is also edible or can be used to decorate warm or cold dishes. Due to its anethol content, it is used for soft and strong drinks. It has important physiological effects. Stimulates appetite, digestion and intestinal activity, milk secretion, besides diuretic and carminative effects. The curative effect has been known since Hippocrates. Besides these favorable effects, it can cause some flatulence. The cosmetic industry also shows interest. Fennel is commonly found in annual and perennial grasslands, open, disturbed areas, chaparral and along watercourses and roadsides. Fennel grows 4 to 10 feet tall and smells like licorice. The branching stems are stout, grayish-green and marked with long vertical grooves. The stems are jointed and sheathed by leaves at the nodes. The leaves are dissected into fine, feathery strands like dill leaves, with each division measuring up to 5 inches long. Fennel has a stout taproot. Fennel reproduces by seed and after cutting by regenerative root crowns. Flowers first appear 1.5 to 2 years after germination. Small yellow flowers in umbrella-shaped clusters bloom between April and August. Aromatic seeds are produced in pairs during summer until September. These are light green to brown, flattened and ribbed, measuring a ½ inch long. Within 2 years, one plant can produce over 1 lakh seeds. Seeds are commonly spread by water or by coming into contact with clothing, animals, vehicles and machinery. Seeds will germinate at almost any time of the year. Soil disturbance may trigger higher rates of germination. Now, nutritional value. Fennel has aromatic, flavoring and medicinal properties. It can be used in alternative medicine as well as in the cosmetic industry due to its essential oil, which is rich in various biologically active ingredients. Feniculum vulgare has been reported to contain 6.3% of moisture, 9.5% protein, 10% fat, 13.4% minerals, 18.5% fiber, and 42.3% carbohydrates. The minerals and vitamins present in Feniculum vulgare are calcium, potassium, sodium, iron, phosphorus, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and vitamin C. In addition to sugar, carotene, and vitamin C contents are considerable. All parts of fennel such as roots, leaves, fruits, and especially the seeds are used. Its leaves contain vitamins and minerals such as calcium, potassium, sodium, iron, phosphorus, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and vitamin C. Fruits consist 10 to 12% of oil that is stored in the cotyledons of seeds. Oil obtained from the fennel fruit has 4% palmitic acid, 22% oleic acid, 14% linoleic acid, and 6% petroxylic acid. The fruit has value of 4 to 6% essence. Its essence and combined ingredients vary according to the location of plant growth. The aromatic property of fennel is because of the essence. There are more than 30 types of terpene compounds in the essential oil of fennel. This herb also contains phenolic compounds such as flavonoids, phenolic acids, hydrocinamic acids, coumarin, and tannin. Now coming to importance of fennel, culinary uses. It is a highly aromatic and flavorful herb with culinary and medicinal uses. Fennel seeds are anise-like in aroma and are used as flavorings in baked goods, meat and fish dishes, ice cream, alcoholic beverages, and herb mixtures. The bulb, foliage, seeds of the fennel plant are widely used in many of the culinary traditions of the world. Dried fennel seed is an aromatic anise-flavored spice, brown or green in color when fresh, slowly turning dull gray as the seed ages. For cooking, green seeds are the best. The bulb is a crisp, hardy root vegetable and may be stewed, braised, grilled, or eaten raw. Fennel features predominantly in Mediterranean cuisine, where bulbs and fronds are used both raw and cooked in side dishes, salads, pastas, vegetable dishes. Many cultures in the Indian subcontinent and the Middle East use fennel seeds in their cooking. Fennel is one of the most important spices in Kashmiri and Gujarati cooking. Fennel is mostly cultivated for its tuber, prepared in various dishes. Leaves and roots can also be consumed fresh or dried. The tuber can be blanched, deep frozen, dried, or pickled. No part of the plant should be discarded. Use of fennel in traditional medicine. Feniculum vulgare has been used in traditional medicine for a wide range of ailments related to digestive, endocrine, reproductive, and respiratory systems. Additionally, it is also used as a galactagogue agent for lactating mothers. It has been used in traditional medicine to treat various diseases for thousands of years in the East Asian countries, India and China. People have long been familiar with fennel plant. In the Middle Ages, people believed that chewing the seeds is important to eliminate abdominal noise. In the 5th century, it was believed that fennel had sedative effect, and in the 9th to 14th century, numerous therapeutic properties were attributed to it. The Romans believed that fennel seed could help supercharge the vision. The English believed that the plant could offer relief from bloating, stomach, and facilitate digestion. The fennel therapeutic use has been serious since the 18th century, and many studies have been taken. Nowadays, the different parts of the plant are used in treatment of many diseases, particularly pain in the digestive system. Also, it's very useful in treatment of diabetes, bronchitis, chronic cough, and kidney stones. Due to its diuretic effect, the plant is used to treat kidney and bladder disease. It's also used to relieve nausea and remove vomiting. The herb is helpful for chronic fever and removing the obstruction in the internal organs, especially the liver, gut, respiratory, and urinary tract, and also it's used to improve eye diseases such as cataract. Now coming to the health benefits. Antibacterial activity. Fennel is used to treat many bacterial, fungal, viral, and mycobacterium infectious diseases. Fennel has 5-hydroxyfuranocoumarin, which imparts antibacterial activity role to this plant. Aqueous extract of fennel shows bactericidal activity against many bacterial species. The essence of plant showed very strong antibacterial activity against pathogens in food such as Escherichia coli, Listeria monocytogenes, Salmonella typhimurium, Staphylococcus aureus, as well as having enormous activity against Helicobacter pylori and Campylobacter jejuni. Anti-inflammatory activity. Of the pharmacological effects of fennel plant, anti-inflammatory activity can be noted. Research has shown that the methanol extract of fennel has anti-inflammatory effects. Oral administration of 200 mg per kg methanol extract of fennel fruit shows inhibitory effect on acute and subacute inflammatory disease and type 4 allergic reactions. Study reveals that the methanolic extract of fennel fruit is effective in reducing inflammation. The methanol extract of fennel seeds inhibits inflammation through cyclooxygenase and through lipooxygenase pathways. Antifungal activity. Fennel extract has antifungal activity against various fungal species such as Candida albicans, species of Aspergillus, and dermatophytes. Also, a study on the herb antifungal effect showed significant antifungal activity against fungi in food waste such as Aspergillus niger and Fusarium oxysporum. Among chemical compositions of the plant extract, anethole had the strongest antifungal activity. Antioxidant activity. Fennel is known as an excellent source of natural antioxidants. This plant can inhibit free radicals due to high content of polyphenols and flavonoids. Phenolic compounds in this herb such as rosmarinic acid, quercetin 3-O-galactoside, camphorol 3-O-glucoside showed antioxidant activity. Fennel volatile oil has strong activity too. Anti-cancer activity. Various studies have shown that anethole present in fennel inhibited cellular responses induced by some cytokines, which might explain its role in suppressing cancer. It is also specified that the fennel with its anti-angiogenic mechanisms inhibits prostate tumor xenograft. Some findings showed that the fennel extract had considerable apoptotic effects on cancer cells. Hepatoprotective activity. The studies demonstrated that the fennel plant has protective effect on liver. The various studies revealed that fennel might reduce TNF-alpha secretion by single core cells, inhibit inflammation, and improve liver fibrosis. It might be concluded that fennel probably acts through effect on regulation of lipid peroxidation by inhibiting hepatic fibrosis. Memory protective activity. It is believed that some plants, including fennel herbs, are used to enhance memory and intelligence. The various results show that its extract had memory enhancement property. Some studies reveal that fennel might be used in treatment of cognitive disorders such as dementia and Alzheimer's. Gastroprotective activity. It has been shown that fennel plant has significant protective effect on gastrointestinal disorders. It was shown that the use of fennel oil emulsions eliminated colic in 65% of treated infants. The plant has a protective effect on gastric ulcer. In addition, the herb reduced mucosal lining of the stomach. These functions were attributed to its antioxidant capacity. Anti-diabetic activity. A study investigated the effect of aqueous extract of fennel in lowering blood sugar and anti-diabetic activities. The findings exhibited that the extract could be useful for the control of blood glucose in diabetic patients, and in addition, their daily use could be effective in reducing chronic complications associated with diabetes. Therefore, this plant can be used in the pharmaceutical industry for the manufacture of anti-diabetic drugs. Anti-anxiety activity. Anxiolytic activity of the fennel plant has been reported. Fennel, due to phytoestrogens, extensively has therapeutic use in the treatment of estrogen deficiency abnormalities. Estrogens are hormones that are involved in the phenomenon of anxiety, which appears to act through the GABA A receptors. Thus, it can be concluded that this plant can hold promising effects in the treatment of anxiety and stress. With this, we conclude our today's lecture